Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make public UGC on Roblox. To get started, you need to understand the current system for user-generated content. Roblox has expanded its user-generated content program, allowing more creators to publish their unique virtual items directly to the platform. This shift means that with the right preparations, you too can share your designs with millions of players. It's an exciting opportunity to contribute to the vibrant Roblox economy. Before you can publish your creations, there are a few essential requirements to meet. First, you need an active Roblox Premium subscription, specifically the 1,000 or 2,000 tier. Second, your Roblox account must have verified identification, confirming your age. Lastly, ensure your account maintains a good standing, free from any recent moderation actions or policy violations. These steps ensure a secure and fair environment for all creators. Once your account is ready, the creative process begins. You'll need to master a three-dimensional modeling software, such as Blender, to design your unique items. After creation, import your model into Roblox Studio, where you'll configure it as an accessory. The final step is uploading your item through the creator dashboard, which costs 750 Robux per submission. Your item then undergoes Roblox moderation for approval before it appears in the marketplace. With your item approved, it's time to consider monetization. You can set a price for your creation with a minimum selling price of 20 Robux. Decide if you want to offer non-limited items or create exclusive, limited quantity releases. Be aware that publishing limited items is much pricier, costing around 15,000 Robux, plus an additional 100 Robux per copy. Successful sales will earn you Robux, which can then be converted into real-world currency through the Developer Exchange Program.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.